Hi guys, welcome to the studio. If you caught my live the other day, you saw that I was making signatures for my spring journals, and these are my spring journals. These will be listed for sale on my coffee site, so you can hop over there and I will put the link down below and up above directly to these where you can go and purchase these. I only have 3 available. Okay, so you might want to grab them soon. It'll be first come, first serve. So let's get started. I want to show you these lovely spring journals. Okay, so let's get started. This one has all the pretty birdies on it. I'm sorry about the light. I'm trying to block it. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to see anything. Okay, so this one comes with a clip on it. And you can move the clip wherever you would like for decorative purposes. I kind of like it right there, about right there. Okay, so it's just a 3 signature journal, and let's see the inside, right? That's what we're here for. Let me see that. It's covered with lace here. Okay, so inside the journal is a pocket right here at the front. I should have got something to show you guys. I don't really have anything. Okay, I have a package. I'll just show you the package. So there's a pocket. It's all lace see-through. This sports a flip up. Um, And then here we go. We'll just show you real quick through the flip through. Let me make sure I'm on screen. Sorry, the light was coming through again. Let me adjust. Now here I didn't glue the pockets down on the side so that you could always cut that right there if you wanted those as a flip downs, or you could glue the edges right here for pockets. Okay, that was signature 1. It's cute. As you can see, there is a lot of writing space in these journals. Okay, signature 2. This will be signature 3. This came out of Peter Rabbit, a book by Peter Rabbit. Okay, and then our last one is another pocket right here. So it's a lacy pocket. Okay, so that's number 1. Okay, number 2. Number 2 also has lace and fabric covering. All of them have fabric covering. This one has a dangle that you can remove right here, and it has beads. Hopefully you can see that. You can remove it right there. Sorry, I wasn't on the screen. Trying to watch that light. So, and this is the back. Like I said, this is removable, so you can take that whole thing off if you want. Okay. All right. We open this, and there's a pocket right here in the front. Okay, signature number 1. Again, I didn't glue the pocket down, but you can. This is chasing butterflies. Okay, signature 1. Signature number 2. Okay. Signature number 3. This is a pocket here at the top. This is a pocket as well. It's a pocket on the other side. Right here. Okay, and we got another pocket in the very back. Okay. It's journal number 2. Journal number 3, slightly different. It sports this tassel with the beads in it. It's also removable. You can take it on and off right there. So all three have removable decorative pieces. And then this one's slightly different because it's magnetic. It has a magnetic closure. And it'll grow. I gave plenty of room for growth. Okay. Put that off to the side. Okay, we have a pocket right here in the very front. Signature number 1. Okay, now this has a flip out and a flip down. So you could glue this on if you wanted this to stay as a pocket, or if you wanted this one to stay as a pocket and this flip down. Try to give you options. This is a pocket right here, right behind the bird. This is also a pocket. This is a flip down. You can turn that into a pocket. Okay, signature number 1. You can see how flat everything lays. Signature number 2. It's just some lace recipe. It's so cute. Okay, signature number 3. This is pockets right here and right here. Okay. 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 And you can attach something to this, like a notepad, or you could just put something in the little pockets. Both of them are free. So you could attach something up here and then something down here, or one long thing. Okay, signature number 3, last signature. This is a pocket right here. Okay, and that was signature number 3. And then we have a pocket right here at the back. It's slightly larger than the one in the front. So you have plenty of spaces to write and a couple pockets. And like I said, this is magnetic. And all 3 will be in my coffee shop. And the links will be below. So thanks for coming by today. And I hope you guys have a blessed day.